it's Pris. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a company called Coco. If you're not familiar with this brand, it looks like this. It's like a cute mint color with black packaging, and the actual charcoal looks like this. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about this company and the ups about this brand, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use this product. So if you guys want to see how to get a whiter and brighter smile, then just keep on watching. Okay, so what makes this toothpaste different than like toothpaste that you get like at your normal store is that this toothpaste is made from finely milled organic coconut activated charcoal. I don't know why that was like a tongue twister for me, but yeah, so basically this is made out of finely milled organic coconut activated charcoal. So yeah, it's just really good for your teeth. It's organic, it doesn't contain any fluoride, so that's really good, because as you know, most of the toothpastes at the store do have fluoride in it, which is really bad for you. So this one has no fluoride. It's completely 100% natural, and yeah, it has activated charcoal, which is used to whiten your teeth naturally. So let's get into that video. And this also contains a bentonite clay and lemon myrtle. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So it's really good for you. And then it also doesn't have like a bad flavor or anything. This is actually a mint flavor, so it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste like, you know, even though it looks like it might taste bad because it's like black whenever you do put the charcoal, it has no flavor, and then the toothpaste itself has a mint flavor. So it's really good. It doesn't like taste bad at all. The charcoal literally has no taste, and then this tastes really good. It's like a mint flavor, so I really like it, and I'm going to show you guys today how I use it. Okay, so the formula is very gentle, and it's supposed to be really effective on like getting rid of like stains on your teeth. If you drink a lot of coffee and you need to remove these yellow stains, then this is going to be really good for you. And it also detoxifies the mouth, so that's a plus as well. So let's get into whitening our teeth. I'm so excited. And this does take 7 to 14 days to actually show like brighter smile results. So yeah, just keep on doing this consistently, and you should have a brighter smile within 14 days. And yeah, I'm still gonna go ahead and show you guys like a before and after. Before I whiten mine, and then after. So yeah, let's do it. Sorry I'm not being like super loud today. It is like super late, so everybody's pretty much asleep, and I hope you guys don't mind that I'm not yelling at the camera. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I took my camera off the tripod, so you guys are like super up close and personal, but I'm gonna show you guys my teeth before. I don't have like a perfect smile or anything. I don't have like straight teeth, so don't judge, but whatever. Dimples. But anyway, so yeah, this is my teeth before. As you can see, they're not perfect, but if I could achieve a whiter, brighter smile, then I'm going to do so. Shall we get started? I think I was zoomed in whenever I had the camera, but oops. Obviously, like I said, they're not like the greatest, but I'm grateful that I have teeth and that I have a smile. So I definitely give this product a 5 stars. Definitely give it a 5 stars. I love the fact that it's fluoride free. It doesn't have like a taste or anything, so it's not nasty at all. It doesn't taste like anything, but then the toothpaste has like a nice minty flavor. I love the fact that it whitens your teeth and detoxifies your mouth, and yeah, I just love everything about it. I'm gonna continue using it. It's 100% natural, so I'm super excited. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you did like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so this is me kind of just chilling here with like no lights. Obviously I have like one lamp on, but I just want to show you guys what they look like in different lighting. So yeah, here's the teeth. They look pretty white, and I'm super excited because I can't wait to see what they're gonna look like in like 2 weeks. But yeah, so I love you guys. Bye.